Hey guys, I just got to Tigertail Beach. It looks like the facilities are closed, but they do still require you to pay for parking. Everything looks really good. There's a ton of yard waste out on the roads, but for the most part, Marco Island fared pretty well. Let's go check out the beach. I'm up here on the lookout tower at Tigertail Beach. This is the lagoon behind me. There's nobody here today. It's a little chilly. We're having our 2 days of winter here in Florida, but all the facilities are closed, but Marco Island's looking really good. I drove past the JW Marriott and down past all the shops and restaurants. There's people here. There's a lot of yard waste and debris by the streets, but I think Marco Island did really well. So if you're looking to book a vacation, this might be the place to come, because obviously Sanibel and Captiva are going to be out for a while, but Marco Island's in business. All right, let's go check out the beach. Eerily quiet here, very muddy ground, and I did just find they have some restrooms open, but there's just nobody here, you guys. Like, the main strip of Marco is packed. There's people everywhere, but still not on the beaches. I'm not totally sure that they're open, to be honest, but we'll keep walking and see what else is up here. So to answer the question, is Marco Island open? It is super open. There are people all over. Hotels look super packed. I'm here in the morning, but all the cafes have people at them. I'm currently at Tigertail Beach, which, if you've been to the area, this is a great place to park. Usually they have a lagoon. It's $10 for parking. They have bathrooms and showers, and then you can walk over to the bigger hotel beach. it's really gross here. It smells bad, it's very muddy, and the bathrooms are closed. They do have some damage here. They're not renting kayaks, and there's no concession stand open. So aside from that, everything looks so good, and I had heard it was, but I wanted to come check it out for myself. So this might be a great place to vacation, or if you live here, come have a day and feel like everything's open and normal. But I'll be on the hunt for more open places and open beaches, and I think everything will just keep getting better and better. So this is happy news. Like this video if you found it helpful, and comment any other beaches you'd like me to check out, or towns in the Southwest Florida area, and I'll get to them, see how they're doing. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I'm heading back.